Now coming to the third section, I see I have got just 20 questions. So I'll use my usual approach of going through them one by one and try to come back if I kind of get stuck in any question. So let's start with the first question. Now this is a question wherein I'm required to find whether the number is divisible by these or not. So 19, 3, 17 and both 19 and 3. I'll just try to check 3 and 19. If that's the answer, then uh, D would be the answer. So I'll write it as 58. 58 is equal to 57 plus 1 to the power 3. Similarly, the other ones I would write as 18 plus 1 to the power 3 minus 75 plus 2 to the power 3. Now this all I'm trying to do for my uh, for checking the remainder with the 3. So when divided by 3, each of these, now this one gives me a remainder of 1, that is in line with the binomial theorem. This again gives me a remainder of 1. Now this gives me a remainder of, I'll prefer using the minus sign, it would give me 2 to the power 3. Now 2 to the power 3, that is actually 8, that is again a remainder of 2. So 1 plus 1 minus 2, that gives me a remainder of 0. That is on 3 is a divisor, and similarly checking for the 19, I would have 57. 19 times 3 plus 1, 57 whole cube plus 19, this is anyways divisible, minus 76 plus 1 whole cube. Now this gives me a remainder of 1. This again minus and gives me a remainder of 1. Now this is again 0. To both of these divide, answer option D is the answer. So selecting option D and moving on to the next question. Let me clear my screen. uh, it has been given 30 members had an average weight of 75. Some members were added with an average weight of 50, such that this average again came out to be a whole number. Okay, so what I see here is some x number of people have been added which have a average weight of 50. So the decrease in weight that is coming because of these x is minus 25 times x divided by 30 plus x. Or maybe if I try to write it the other way, I can assume that 50 people with x were present and 30 people with 75 weight came into the picture, and that gave me a whole number of the average weight. So that would give me 25, that is the difference of weight, into 30 divided by 30 plus x. This should be a whole number. This, so my numerator is 750 divided by 30 plus okay, now that is 30 plus x, and it is trying to ask me what would be total number of x in the club. Okay, my mistake, it is asking me the total number of members. So 30 plus x, can, if out of this option you check 38, it won't divide, 50 would divide, 45 won't divide, 42 won't divide. So answer is option B, and I'll quickly select my answer and move on to the next question. I'll clear my screen. So coming to the third question. Okay, so this is a simple quadratic expression given to me. um, Ina started with a wrong value of c, and two roots were 3 and 4. So she got correct value of roots. So x square plus this I don't know, x plus 12. While Meena started with wrong value of d and c values is correct. So sum of the roots is minus 7. That is c is equal to minus 7. Sorry, c is equal to minus of minus 7. That would give me value as this value. So this is my final quadratic, correct? X square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now the roots are simple, x plus 3 times x plus 4. That gives me the roots as minus 3 and minus 4. So I would quickly choose my answer as this. I'll clear my screen. Now this is an expression wherein this is a CEO costing 9 lakh rupees, depreciate rate of 10%, depreciate 15%. Okay, appreciate at the rate of 8% the first year, 10%. Okay, so what I need to do here is I need to find the net present profit or loss. That can be obtained as 9 times 1.1 into 0.85 depreciation into again appreciation of 1.2 plus the car cost was this, depreciate at 8%, 0.92 into 0.9 into 1.2. Okay, now this is the final value. Let me obtain the final values here. This would be, I'll also prefer using calculator. Sorry, anyways, the expression was clear. Let me simply multiply uh, it's asking me 1.1 times 0.85 times 1.2. What I get is 1.22 into 9. Okay, 10.098. Okay, great. I remember this value 10.098. Rather, let me write it. 10.098 is the value of car. Let me also compute the value of the other. Sorry, that was the value of house. Let me compute the value of car. It would be 0.92 times depreciation in the second year is 0.9 times 1.2. Okay, this is 0.9936. Okay, so I can clearly see that let me anyways complete multiply it by 3. So this is coming 2.980 and this was 10.098 lakhs. So nearly it is around 13 lakhs is my value. 13 lakhs is my value. Okay, and the initial investment was anyways 9 plus 3, 12 lakhs. So 1 by 12 and this is 8 point somewhere not to the north of 8.67. I would quickly choose the option is as my answer and let me check it. I don't really need to calculate the exact values to choose my answer. Okay, uh, I need to compute the value of this expression a b is equal to 1. Okay, let me simply take a is equal to b is equal to c. That would give me 1 by 3. Since 1 to the power minus 1 is 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that simply gives me 1. I mean, it's really becomes really easy if you want to compute the values by using some numerical value instead of going to the expressions. So this gives me answer as 1. Let me clear my screen. Okay. A parallelogram, a triangle, and a heptagon have equal parameters if the area of the parallelogram is if the triangle and heptagon is PTH. Okay, so the parameter is constant and three different shapes are given. Now we know if the area, if the parameter is constant and the number of sides increases, the area tends to increase. So in line with this, we know a circle would have got the maximum area, and let's say a straight line has the minimum area for a given parameter. So I would uh, choose the option of parallelogram greater than the heptagon. Let me sorry, my mistake. Heptagon 5 sides greater than 4 sides of parallelogram greater than 3 sides of triangle. So this is my correct answer. Need to compute. Um, what is this question? 0.6 faces of uh, 6 different colors are given in a die. What is the probability that indigo, black, and Terrain, Fera. Okay, three colors face a common corner. So let us say I fix each of these the colors on a particular corner, then that would give me 3 factorial in which the remaining colors can be arranged. So this is my 3 factorial. uh, these are the favorable cases, and to find the total number of cases, let me have uh, okay, so let me fix the base. Then that gives me an option to arrange 5 factorial colors, the rest 5 colors. But again, I know if I simply rotate the cube along the 4 direction, that gives me same combinations in fact. So I would rather divide it by 4, and this gives me 3 factorial into 4 into 5 by 4. 4 cancels. 3 factorials times 5. uh, and uh, sorry, I think I 3 factorial times 3. I think I am correct. Yeah. So 3 factorials times 5. This gives me simply 1 by 5. That is the answer. Option C is the answer. That is what we would choose. Moving on, let me clear my screen. Chennai Express is 100 moving at speed of 50 km per hour. Another train this long and moving from the other side in crosses in 3 6. Okay, so this is a typical time and speed concept problem. I'll simply add the lengths of the two trains, 108 plus 112. That would give me 220 meters divided by sum of total speed, that is x plus 50 kilometers per hour. That now this answer would, yeah, this answer would again come in the, now let me make the if I make in this into kilometer, this would rather come in this come in hours. And this side I have got 6 divided by 60 times 60 minutes hours. Now I convert into hours, so that way it becomes a bit easier not to make the units mistake. 22 times 22 time into both of these 0, I cancel with my decimal place. I cancel one of the 6 this side, 6, and then 50 plus x, 132, 132 is equal to 50 plus x, and that gives me simply 82 kilometers per hour speed. Great. So we didn't really get stuck into any question. That's why we are moving smoothly here. Let me clear my screen. Uh, my MNO is an equilateral triangle with sides 8 centimeter and inside in a circle. If the bisector of angle N meets MO at P and circle Q at this point, what is the value of 2 into NP times NQ? Okay, so this is 8, this is 4. We know this is right angle triangle, and anyways this is the equilateral triangle. So this length is root 3 by 2 times the side, that is 8. This is 4. Okay, 4 root 3. This entire length is 4 root 3. Great. So now we know the property of the circle such that MP into PO would become equal to NP into PQ. This is 4 times 4 is equal to 4 root 3 times PQ. Now if I simply take it this side, then that gives me PQ is equal to 4 by root 3. Now what is asking me? 2 into NP times, okay, so I have got all these lengths. 4 times 2 into 4 root 3 divided by 4 root 3. uh, I think I made a bit of mistake I made here. So yeah, I didn't, I actually took the PQ length. I should have taken the NQ length. So okay, anyways, NQ is equal to 4 root 3 plus 4 by root 3. This is 12 plus 4 16, 16 by root 3, uh, 16 by root 3 into 4 root 3 into 2. This is root 3 cancel, and this gives 132. Thankfully I realized my mistake uh, in the correct time. So I can correct it. 1 3 2. It becomes really important to read the question carefully. This is calculative. What is the range of values of a if this is greater than, okay. So this is something, question that we are really familiar with. So a square minus 2a plus 5 divided by 3a square minus 2a minus 5. I'll take minus half this side. I won't make the mistake of multiplying 2 in the numerator and denominator, and then, because that could actually go wrong. I mean, we are aware that if the denominator is negative, then that reverses the sign of equality. Anyways, so let me make the LCM. 2 times 3a square minus 2a, this is minus 5. 2a square minus 4a plus 10 minus 3a square plus 2a plus 5. This is greater than 0, strictly greater than 0. Okay. And now I'll simply try to factorize my values here. Let me try to factorize it. Firstly, let me minus this minus a square, sorry, minus a square minus 2a, and then plus 15 divided by 2. 2, anyways, this is a positive quantity. I can take it to the other side. I can eliminate it whenever I want. 3a square minus 2a, this is again minus 5. It's getting really dirty here a bit. This is greater than 0. Now if I remove this minus sign, I can easily reverse the equality. So this is plus plus, and this one becomes minus, and then this becomes opposite. I'll try to factorize if I can. Numerator is a plus 5 times a minus 3 into, denominator becomes 3a, 3 times minus 15. I can minus 3 times plus 5. Okay. It, so this is a 3 times a, and then yeah, so this one becomes minus 5 plus 1. Let me check if I've done 3a minus 5a. I mean, this is an far easier method of breaking into 2, and then really just save some time. So I can, I'll try to uh, plot all these values on a single scale here. This is value of 3. This is 5 by 3. This is minus 5. This is minus 1. So I can do like this. I think this is a far easier method in my opinion. So this area gives me roots less than 0. So according to is minus 5 to minus 1. Okay, and from the first value itself I can choose. Okay, but yeah, second value, yeah, second value, both the values are correct in the first one. So answer is option A. Let We are going a bit smoothly here. That's good for us. Okay, now here comes geometry. Circle has been given with Q as a chord, Mn is a chord. Okay, this is a straight line segment OQP, and it's at Mn at when extended to PQ. Qn is equal to Pn. Okay, NPQ is 30, MOQ. We need this Y angle. Okay, now this is 30. Since these sides are equal, now opposite exterior angle property, this becomes 60. And if this is radius, both are radius, this becomes 60. 60 60, 120. Anyways, this angle becomes 60 again. This whole becomes 90, and this is a straight line. This again becomes 90. So option D. Nice. So we can choose this option and get get to the next. Okay, question 13 है. two green cars, three orange cars, and one white car. Two green cars, three orange cars, one white car. Unisaturated cars at two ends different. Okay, no two adjacent are also same. Okay, what is the total number of arrangements giving possibility above two conditions? Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now three oranges. I mean that gives a statement. Oranges can only be this way, or this empty this way and this way. Now the remaining two greens you can have this way. Sorry, this was the first base. Yeah. No, sorry, I am. Let me redo it. So orange space orange. Okay, and then it, space orange space orange. Now I can have green green white. I mean white can actually come in only this place or this place. So three arrangements from this one. Similarly, white can go into either any of the three places. Three. So total answer is 6. 3 plus 3, and option A is the answer. Uh, Great stuff. Uh, okay. Kakashi bought a second-hand luxury watch after certain uses on Sunday noon. He noticed that his watch is running 12 minutes late, okay, and will be 16 minutes ahead of time of the correct time on next Sunday noon. When will the watch will be the watch 8 minutes ahead of time? Okay, here it was minus 12. It has gone to 16 minutes ahead plus 16, a difference of 28 minutes in how many time? This Sunday noon to next Sunday noon in 7 days. Okay, and what they want is when will the watch be 8 minutes ahead? So minus 12 to plus 8, that is a difference of 20 can be covered in for 7 minutes you need 1 day. Sorry, for 4 minutes you need 1 day. For 20 minutes you need simply 5 days. That is Sunday to Friday. Yeah, Friday noon. So option D is the answer here. Oh, logs. So we know that x is real and this is equal to 1. What is the number of positive values that x can take? Okay, so this mod is equal to 1, so it can either be plus 1 or minus 1. Let me take first with the plus 1 because it's easier. Log x plus 5, 2x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 1. That means 2x minus 5 is equal to x plus 5. I take x this side and then x becomes equal to 10. Okay. No, I think I did a bit of, sorry, this was 2x minus 1. My bad. X becomes equal to 6. Okay. And anyways, you can check x plus 5, 6 plus 11, 2x minus 1, 11 again. Great. Taking it to be minus 1, then I would have 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x plus 5. This becomes equal to 2x square minus 5, and then I simply 2 5s are 10 plus 10 minus x plus 9x is equal to 1. 2x square plus 9x minus 6 is equal to 0. X becomes equal to minus 9 minus b plus minus and b square minus 4ac. 9 is 81. 81 minus minus 24 to the 48. 48 plus 48. So 129 divided by 2 is divided by 2, that is 4. 129. Okay. It is asking me the number of positive values. Minus 9 plus 129. Now this is greater than 10. Okay, even if I take the negative values anyways, I would not be interested in. When if I take the positive value, that would actually be 129 minus, okay, I think this value seems possible, minus 9 plus 1 root under root 129 divided by 4. Okay, but I also need to see if my if the values of the log are defined, because in the earlier cases I did not face any problem, since anyways those were positive values. So uh, let me check it here. This is let me take some approximate values. uh 11 times 11 121. Let me take it 11. It would be something 11 point something. So 11 point, let us say 11.5, because 12 times 124, let it somewhat around 11.3 minus 10 by 4, it becomes 2.3 times 4, around greater than zero point 0.5 definitely. Now it is greater than zero point 0.5, it is greater than zero point 0.5, and then it becomes uh, now this would be defined for any positive value of x, and this would be defined for any value of x which is greater than 0.5, right? This which is greater than 0.5, because we want it to be greater than 0. X is greater than half, which is being satisfied here. So um, so the answer actually becomes one value as 6, other value as somewhere around zero point 0.5 something. So the answer, the answer to this question becomes two, two values. Okay, I can't find the option. Let me recheck if I've done it correctly or not. X is real, and I want value to be equal to a positive value of x. So this value x plus 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 5. This was x 1 this side, x is equal to 6. This is correct, and it also satisfies my equation. For the other value, I got 2x minus 1 is equal to x plus 5, 2x square minus 5 plus 10x minus x, that is plus 9x, equal to 1. This taken this and minus x, x becomes equal to minus 9 plus minus under root b square minus 480, 81 minus plus 48, that is 129, correct, divided by 2a, that is 4. 8 2a minus 9 11. Okay, so this would something be zero point 0.5 something, and then it would if even if, let me take it by approximate value, 5.5 something divided by 1, this will maybe be equal to um this would nearly be equal to, I would say, point less than point 0.2 rather. And if in the numerator I take zero point 0.5, zero point 0.5, this is nearly 1, but it is a bit greater than actually zero point 0.5. So it's possible, I think. So yeah, so answer is 2, which we can't find in the option. So let's skip this one. I'll have this. Okay, so what do I have for this question? A and B began running altogether from vertices P. Okay, A and B square PQRS given underneath, the began running at very steady speeds in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, they are running this way, and first met at point A, such that PA is equal to 2AQ. PA is equal to 2 times AQ, so this is 2 ratio, this is 1 ratio. Okay, if Ajay ran quicker than Bimal, which of the options is correct about their third meeting point? All right, so third meeting point is what we are interested in. Let us say they were running this way and they have been able to meet, let us say, after some k rounds. So the total distance uh, that p would have traveled, that could be given as number of rotations, k full rotations plus this particular length. And let's say just for these, let us say, let's assume the length to be 3 times 4, that is 12, because it is coming in the same ratio. So that gives the total distance traveled by Bimal as 12k, 12k plus 2. And in the similar, sorry, this is the distance of Ajay, and in the similar time Bimal travels a distance of uh, b, it has k and minus 1. Okay, so 12k minus 1. All right, they are meeting here. Now we want the second meeting point after this one. Okay, and now we are very very comfortable with the property that the meeting points are always symmetric. So this is one meeting point. The total length is 12, so another would be 4 points ahead. This would be one meeting point, and similarly one meeting point would be here. Now we are just not sure whether this is the correct meeting point or not. So so we could rather think them, if they travel this way, whether second meeting point would be this or this. So for the east, let us say again start moving from this point. They again start moving from this point, and when would they actually have met once again? When they have covered a distance of one round, right? Difference of distance of one round between them. So okay, so I think if I simply multiply each of these by 4, this again by 4, this gives me 48k plus 8. This gives me uh, 48k, 48k minus 48k minus uh, minus 4. This gives me a difference of 12 units. Okay, so all right. So, and we needed the third meeting point. Okay, okay. They have covered 3 units less than Ajay. Ratio of speed is this what I have got here. I think it's taking a bit of time. Let me come back to it. Uh, Let me clear my working again. And this is a sequence given to me. S1, S2, S3, S4 in a particular way, and S5 is this. Okay. Let me first, and they need the value of this. Okay. I mean, this is a question we all know more or less gets reduced to a smaller expression. I would try to evaluate the S5 here. So S5 is simply um, S5 is simply as S4 523 minus 420 plus 375 minus 211, and this gives me 420 103 plus 103 plus uh, 211. This is 6. Sorry, this one 164. This is simply 267. And what's interesting is S6 is equal to S5 minus the whole given expression of, this is S5 minus S4 plus S3 minus S2. Okay, and S5 indeed was S4 plus S3, sorry, S4 minus S3 plus S2 minus S1. All right, so S6 becomes in fact minus S1. And similarly, if I see S7 becomes uh, S6 minus S5 and so on. S6 can again be written as S5 minus S S5 minus S4, and this would again cancel and give me the last value of minus S2. So what I have here is S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. These are unique values. Sorry for handwriting. And this is minus S1, then minus S2, minus S3 minus S4, then minus S5. Wow. So these actually cancel. What I need is Fi31. So this would be 10 times, or remainder would be 1. So this is S1. It is asking me S1 plus S3 because 750 plus 3. And then S975. This is S5 indeed. So I simply need to add 211 plus 420 plus 267. Okay, let me add it. This is 8, 8 2s are 10, 6 to 8, 9, and then 2 to 4, 8, 8, 898. Let me put my answer here, 898. Let me clear my working here. This is a team coming K people. We can fish in 20, 15 days. 6 more, if need more 6 candidates, then can would take 3 days lesser. Okay. So K times 15 becomes equal to uh, K plus 6 times 12 because of the equality of work. 15K becomes 12K plus 72. 3K is equal to 24. Sorry, 3K is equal to 72. Then K becomes equal to 24. So let me plug the value as 24 in. If we somehow manage to compute the factors of 720, or that is likely on. Okay, so this is a factorization. I would rather do it at the end, although I have got just 4 minutes left. Value of digit in the unit place of the expression this plus this. Or unit digit pretty easy. This is -1 to the power. But I'm basically trying to write 828, 828, 3, 828, 40 minus 1 to the power 100. Then 828, 40 minus 1 to the power 111. So this is minus 1 to the power 100 plus 1 to the power 101. Sorry, minus 1 to the power 101. This gives me net minus 1 plus 1. This is 0. Wow. So this is a 0 indeed. I still have got 2 minutes. I'll try to see if I can. Okay, so this is what I left earlier. Okay, I need the factors of uh, this one. Now let me try to first factorize as 720. 720 given as can given as 8 into 8 times 90 to the power 3. This again 45 times 2. This can be 2 to the power 4. 45 can be given as 9 times 5. 3 square into 5. So the total factors are simply 5 into 3 times into 2. That is 15 to that is 3, and then 630. Sorry. Then we need pair of factors 30C2, that is 30 times 29 by 2. This is uh, 39 to 2. This is 29 times 15, that is 435. Okay, anyway, this is matching, right? And we need the numerators. So co-prime, first I would try to take with the 1. So when I try to take with the 1, there can be 29 other factors because total factors were 30. Subtract 1, this gives you 29 other. 29 plus, let me try to take the factors with the power of first 2 here. With the power of first 2 here, this would be this. mm, if I take with the one was this. If I take with the power of 4, so 2 to the power 4, and then powers of 2 power. I need the cofactors. So answer can either be this. Okay. Uh, power of 3, parts of 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, parts of 2. Okay, so if I take 5 and then 2, then the total answers can be 4, then 5, and 3 total parts can actually be 3. Similarly, if I take 2 and then these and these, uh, then that would give me